Hi, dear students. Welcome to Mr. English Clips. I'm Emily.
Hi, I'm Michael. If you want to learn English quickly and easily,
This episode is just for you. Good morning, Michael. You look fresh today and ready for a calm new day.
Good morning, Emily. Thank you so much. I feel relaxed and happy to see you.
How are you feeling today, Michael? Everything going well for you so far?
I am feeling good today. Thank you for asking. Nothing stressful happened yet.
That sounds nice. I'm glad to hear you are feeling calm and comfortable.
Yes, simple days like this make me feel positive and ready to talk more.
The weather feels very nice today. Not too hot and not too cold.
I agree with you. This weather makes walking and talking much more enjoyable.
Do you come to this area often, or is today a little different for you?
I come here sometimes, but today feels calmer and more relaxed than usual.
That is interesting. What do you usually like to do when you come here?
I like to walk slowly, look around, and enjoy small moments without rushing.
That sounds peaceful. I also enjoy slowing down and enjoying simple things.
Yes, life feels better when we do not hurry and just enjoy the moment.
Are you heading to work now, or do you have some free time today?
I have a little free time first, so I am enjoying this calm conversation.
I really like talking with you. It makes the day feel easier and lighter.
Thank you, Emily. I feel the same way and enjoy our simple conversations.
Do you think this food is good, or should I try something different today?
I think it is good, but trying something new can also be fun sometimes.
You always give calm answers. I think you never panic about small things.
I panic sometimes, but I try to hide it and smile instead of worrying.
That is a good habit. Staying calm really helps in daily situations.
Yes, calm words and smiles make talking with people much easier.
What are you planning to do later today? Anything interesting or special?
Nothing special, just work, dinner, and some rest at home afterward.
That sounds normal. Sometimes simple days are exactly what we really need.
I agree. Simple days help me feel balanced and ready for tomorrow.
Can I ask you something small? Maybe you can help me decide quickly?
Of course, I will try my best to help you with anything you need.
Thank you so much. I really appreciate your time and kind attitude.
You're welcome. Helping someone always makes me feel good inside.
Talking like this helps me feel more confident when using English daily.
Yes, practice with simple words is the best way to improve speaking.
I think beginners should talk more, even if mistakes happen sometimes.
Mistakes are normal. They help us learn faster and speak more freely.
It was really nice talking with you. I enjoyed this friendly moment.
I enjoyed it too. Conversations like this make the day much brighter.
Have a great day, Michael, and take care wherever you are going.
Thank you, Emily. Have a wonderful day and stay positive always.
Hi, Michael. How is your afternoon going so far? Feeling okay?
Hi, Emily. It is going well. Nothing stressful, just a normal, calm day.
This bakery smells amazing. Do you like eating bread or sweet snacks?
Yes, I like them a lot, but I try not to eat too many sweets.
I always say I will eat less sweets, but the smell changes my mind.
That happens to me too. Food smells are stronger than our plans.
Do you prefer coffee or tea when you want to relax and talk?
I prefer tea. It feels lighter and helps me stay calm.
Tea is nice. It makes conversations slower and more comfortable.
Yes, slow conversations are easier, especially for learning English.
I think using English daily helps learners feel less afraid to speak.
I agree. Daily practice builds confidence little by little.
You speak clearly and calmly. It is easy to understand you.
Thank you. I try to keep my words simple and natural.
Keep practicing like this. Your English will improve very quickly.
Your support helps a lot. It makes me want to speak more.
What do you usually do in the evening after finishing your work?
I eat dinner, relax a bit, and sometimes watch something simple.
What kind of shows do you like, funny ones or calm stories?
I like calm stories. They help me relax after a long day.
I feel the same way. Loud shows make me tired sometimes.
Yes, calm shows are better when we want to rest our mind.
Talking like this is great practice for real life situations.
I agree. Simple talks help us feel more confident outside.
I should go now, but I really enjoyed this relaxed conversation.
Me too. Thank you for the nice talk and positive energy.
Take care, Michael, and keep practicing your English daily.
I will. Thank you, Emily. Have a safe and happy evening.
Good morning again. You look energetic today and very positive.
Good morning. I slept well and feel ready for the day.
Did you sleep well last night, or was your mind busy?
I slept well. My mind was calm and relaxed.
Good sleep really helps with mood and speaking clearly.
Yes, when I sleep well, I speak better and feel confident.
Every small practice step makes a big difference over time.
That is true. I will keep practicing every day.
One day we will speak English easily while drinking coffee.
Yes, and we will laugh about how hard it felt before.
You are doing great already. Just keep going like this.
Thank you. Your words give me confidence and motivation.
Learning slowly is okay. Everyone moves at their own pace.
That makes me feel better and less worried about mistakes.
Try speaking English in shops. Even short sentences help.
I will try. Short talks feel easier than long conversations.
That is the right way. Confidence grows with each try.
Yes, I already feel more comfortable speaking now.
It was great talking again. Keep smiling and practicing.
Thank you, Emily. I will remember today's conversation.
Simple conversations like this make English feel natural.
Yes, I feel more confident and ready to speak every day.
And thank you so much for spending time with us today and supporting Mr. English Clips.
See you next time. Keep learning, smiling, and practicing real English daily.